What's up, folks? I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, that's otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. And today, I have this thing, this ancient technology. It comes from like the 80s or something. New old socks, Sears Craftsman. Remember Sears? Clearly, this is an ancient form of heretical technology. The psyker is supposed to use the 390 megahertz wavelength to activate this unit. For the Emperor. Holy Christ, whenever this was released, this has got to be 80s. Look at that. It looks like some Ecto-1 Slimer kind of mentality flavor in there. And look at the... I'm pretty sure that was supposed to be white. Oh, it is white. It's just the lights mess with it. Whoa. Jeez, I hope there's no monsters in here. Come on. Come on. I was not expecting that. Maybe I could hide treasure in there. 93? That was off by a bit. I bet they were still trying to sell Ghostbusters figures about then. And that's the transmitter I need that I can't find any information about anywhere. Oh well, let's open it up and see what's inside. What do you say? Oh, we got markings. We got markings. What do we say? What do we say? Huh. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, I love it. It's so unapologetically 80s. It was designed in the 80s. Don't give me a hard time. So this thing would have cost about 60 bucks. Oh, that looks so lovely. I love it all. About 60 bucks. Back in 60 bucks our money to turn something on and off automatically. Okay, so what have we got here in order to turn this thing on and off? This transmitter information from the 90s. Okay, so you got the on-off calibrate switch there. I gotta say, I'm not recognizing anything on here. Sine wave, where are you at, buddy? Now, I know if I throw this out, I'm gonna find something that goes with this. But this is basically part of your smart home. If I throw this out tomorrow, I'm gonna go to a secondhand store and that damn thing's gonna show up. Yeah, back in the day, so we always had smart homes. We always had the ability to have smart homes. It was just unbelievably, like, prohibitively expensive, and you had nowhere to go to get it. And like I said, like, expensive. Not cheap, but still pretty cool. And if I had the ability, I want to say I've seen one of these before at a secondhand store, but shoot, I don't even know if these things will last the test of time. But still very nice. I like to mess with these things off the shelf. Thanks for messing with me, guys. Have a good one. Take care of each other, will you?